In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open WordPress code in just about 5 minutes. Let's get started with a practical step-by-step guide to editing your WordPress site's code directly. This skill is invaluable whether you're looking to customize your site's design, improve functionality, or optimize your website for search engines. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be empowered to tweak your site to your heart's content. First, we'll need to access WordPress's backend. Start by navigating to wordpress.com. Here you'll find the gateway to all your blogging and website building needs. Once the page loads, you'll notice a login button. Click on that to proceed. This is your first step towards unlocking the full potential of your WordPress site. If you've connected your Google account to WordPress, you'll see an option to continue with Google. This feature can streamline the login process, bypassing the need to remember another password. Go ahead and select this option for a smoother entry. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Select the account linked to your WordPress site. Now it's all about granting permissions. There will be a continue button after you select your Google account. This is WordPress asking for permission to access your Google account for login purposes. It's safe and simply part of the integration process, so click continue to proceed further. Upon successful login, you'll land on the My Home dashboard of your WordPress site. It's the control room of your online presence. Your next move is to click on View Site, which essentially takes you on a tour of your current website's front end, how your visitors see your site. As you're assessing how your site looks from a visitor's perspective, the drive to customize and improve it grows. This is where editing your site comes in. Look for an Edit Site button, which will direct you to the WordPress editor, a powerful tool that enables you to modify various aspects of your site. Once in the editor, you'll see a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements, including the all-important code blocks to your page. Click on this icon and you'll be greeted with a range of options. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on adding custom code. So in the search box that appears after clicking the plus icon, type in code. This filters the options, making it easier to find the code block. After selecting the code block, you're presented with an area where you can insert or type in your code. This could be anything from custom CSS styles to HTML snippets that add functionality or design elements to your site. The code editor is pretty straightforward, but remember, the smallest typo can break things, so proceed with caution. Finally, once you've entered your desired code, it's time to save your changes. Look around for a button or link that allows you to save or update your changes. This action applies your code to the site. It's essential to review your site after making these changes, ensuring everything operates as intended. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Always back up your site before making significant changes, especially when it comes to coding. This way, if anything goes wrong, you can restore your site to its former state. If you're not familiar with coding, consider using WordPress plugins designed for the customizations you want to achieve. Plugins can often provide the functionality you need without having to write a single line of code. Practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment on a test site to hone your WordPress coding skills. This guide should help you comfortably navigate the process of opening and editing WordPress code. Whether you're aiming to make small tweaks or significant overhauls, understanding how to access and modify your site's code is a powerful skill to have in your web development toolbox. With patience and practice, you'll find that a little coding knowledge goes a long way in transforming your WordPress site into exactly what you envision it to be. Thanks for watching and happy coding.